doing a video for one of our listings. Check this out, guys. This place has a bowling alley. So over here is like the, what is that? The longhouse. Oh. All right, what's up, guys? It's super windy, so I'm holding the mic like this, but we're here in the heart of downtown at one of my most recent listings. Me and Wendell behind the camera. But we're at 1212 Newton-Wanu Street. Right now, we're standing in front of the lobby. We're gonna go in, I'm gonna show you guys the unit and show you the amazing amenities that come with this building. Let's check it out. I forgot the key in my car. BRB. Oh, it's dark in here. All right. Elevator, you need a fob to get up. And we're going to the 3rd floor. Cool, okay. Didn't beep all the way to the end. Cool, all right, here we are. All right, guys, we're inside the unit. Welcome to 1212 Newton-Wanu, Unit 311. Now, as you can see here, seller just moved out. They're ready to go. We are actually the lowest priced unit in this building at $470,000. And the seller is also offering a $10,000 credit. So let's get this thing sold. Here's the living room. It's really spacious. We'll go out to the balcony real quick. Here's the balcony, low floor, the 3rd floor. Now, some people might want a condo with a high floor, but there's also people that want low floor. Why would they want low floor? One example would be, you know, in my condo, I live on the 37th floor, and it's awesome, but there's a lot of times where when I go up, I have to stop for multiple floors, and then when I go down, I gotta stop for multiple floors, which is kind of irritating. If you're someone who just wants to get in and get out really quickly, 3rd floor would be perfect for you. In this unit right here, 3rd floor, we have a great view of downtown. Also, if you look below, we have one of 2 pools. We have 2 pools in this building, and I'm gonna show you guys that in a second, along with the other amenities in this awesome building. Then here we have the kitchen, all stainless steel appliances, really nice cabinets. It's actually really spacious for a 1-bedroom, 1-bath as far as a kitchen goes. We've got oven, microwave, and the vent fan. We also got a dishwasher, which is awesome. And of course, you got your refrigerator, freezer. Let's check out here. You have storage closet. Oh no, that's not a storage closet. This is actually for the AC, which is central AC in this unit. You've got washer and dryer here. And then over here, you've got linen closet. And then you've also got in the primary, more closet space here, which is awesome. Come around here, you've got even more closet space, which is good. You know, this is only a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, but there's a lot of space for like storage, linen, a lot of closets. If you go over here, 2 sinks, cabinets, more space over there, and you even got more space over here. Pretty cool. And of course, you got your bathroom, shower, toilet, the essentials. So that's it for the unit. This is great for anyone working in downtown. You're literally steps away from all the hustle and bustle. Chinatown's right down the street, and you have many great hole-in-the-wall restaurants, bars. So if nightlife is your thing, this is the perfect spot for you to move into. So here is the amenity deck. We're on the 8th floor. As you can see, there's a lot of things going on here. Over here, you have like a party room where you could rent out. You could rent out all of these to barbecue and just, you know, relax here. You have a nice koi pond here, which is pretty cool. Very relaxing, very feng shui, you know, come here for the vibes. Yeah, koi fishes are cool. You also got like tennis courts here, and I guess if it's a tennis court, I guess it doubles as a pickleball court, you know? You also got batting cages, or I think it's you can do golf, like driving, practice your shots. I don't know. I don't golf. Pretty cool amenity deck. Did you get that? Oh, fuck. So here we are. We have the tennis court slash pickleball court. Nice place to hang out over here. We got a water fountain. Oh, that's refreshing. What else do you need, you know? But I feel like this is more so for golf, right? Driving, what do you call this? A driving cage? I don't know. But yeah, essentially golf, boom. Yeah, I see a golf ball right there. So pretty cool. Come here, practice on your swing. And that's it for the 8th floor. So you got this, the golf, pickleball, tennis court, koi pond, barbecue, grills, and then that party room that you can rent out. Now we're gonna go check out the pools and the gym on the main floor. And then there's also, I believe, a bowling alley and basketball court. So now we are at the main floor. This is the floor for 2 of the pools. Right over here is one pool. I think it's like a small kiddie pool slash jacuzzi thing. And then we have the main pool that you could see from the balcony of the unit. There's also some other cool things like restaurants here. Right here we have Abisabi Dining. It's really cool Japanese place. It looks like they got teppanyaki, omakase, tonkatsu. Yeah, it sounds super good. Smells really good too. You can see that they have a gym right here. Pretty cool. It looks like a really huge gym. Let's go check it out. Huge gym. We got a huge gym here with a bunch of free weights, some benches, cool mirrors. Basically got all the machines that you can think of. This gym's actually pretty awesome. This is way bigger than my condo gym. My condo gym's probably like this corner. So really good if you like working out and you value your fitness. Let's check out the basketball court. So we don't have access to the basketball court, and I think this is actually racquetball. I don't know, all kinds of balls. We got ping pong. Okay, these are the lockers. Cool, okay. There's also a massage spa here. They do massages, sports massage, pretty cool spa. All right, so here's the bowling alley. It's literally on the same floor as the gym, health club, the other 2 pools. And then if you look over here, this is the game room. So you got the bowling alley, the game room, pool, got a TV over there so you can host events. And there you have it. That is 1212 Nu'uanu. Really amazing building with a lot of amenities. Again, you have pool right here, another smaller pool. You have a pool club, game room. You got bowling alley right here. Downstairs was your gym, the racquetball slash basketball court. You also have a spa, a massage place, restaurants, really good restaurants. And then on the 8th floor, you have the pickleball slash tennis courts and also the golf cage range thingy. Super cool koi pond with the best vibes ever. You have the party room to also reserve and all of the barbecue places to reserve and cook some amazing. So if you're interested, you or maybe you're an agent and you have clients interested, please reach out, email, text, whatever. This is $470,000, the lowest price unit in this building. Also, the seller is offering a $10,000 credit. So let me know. And thanks again for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. See you on the next video.